Welcome back guys. We have seen how to have all these in our previous tutorials. If you have missed any, don't worry, click the notification icon and watch it. In this tutorial we will see how to get the drawer slider like this in our app. Watch till the end and comment in which ways the video should be improved. Before going into it, subscribe to our channel, to get the updates faster. Let me directly get into the video now. First we need to remove this plus icon as we need to place the drawer option in this side. Well, this is the code and let me uncomment it instead of deleting. Okay, done. Now let me save it. So now the icon is removed. We have seen about the app bar and how to place multiple icons within the safe area, and also about placing the background in the body along with the floating action button. If you want to watch it, press the notification icon. Now let me show you how a drawer widget looks and how to use it. Now let me save it. Here you can see the icon for drawer. Now if I click this, you can see a slider here. We can also slide it from the screen, which you can see in most apps. Now let us see how to add elements within the drawer. We have used column widget, so that we can have a list in the drawer. Inside the children widget, use user accounts drawer header. Now let me save it so that you can understand what it is. So this is that, and you would have seen this in many apps. In this section we can have our profile photo, name, and mail ID. Let me show how to have these. To have our photo within the column, use current account picture. Let me have the picture in a circle. For this, use circle avatar. Once I save this, you can see the changes. So within this circle we are going to place the image. To have our image, use background image. As I am going to fetch the image from Google, let me use network image widget. Within this open brace, paste the URL of the image. I have already chosen this image. Now let me copy the image address. Pasting it here. Now you can see the image once I saved it. Now let me give this guy a name below. Use account name option to have name in the column. Yes, we got our name, but the font size is too small. Let me make it big enough. This is same as what we did in our previous tutorials. Okay, now the font is big. Now let me also add mail below the name. Okay, we got the mail ID below the name. Now the next step is how to have the list of option here. To list the options, use list tile widget. Let me have my account option. First let me fix the icon for that. After having the icon, we need to place the text. Okay, now you can see the option my account along with the icon, but can I make it a bit larger? Yes, you can. Inside the text widget, increase the size of the text. So, this option has to do an action when clicked. For this, use on tap function. We will discuss more about this in the upcoming tutorial. Now let me add more options to the list. Use comma and the repeat the same to have another option. This time let me use setting option. Let me have the same font size as before. Now the text is perfect, let me add icon. Now if you click this you can see some action in happening, but not in the settings as on tap function is not added here. As said before, we will discuss about this in upcoming tutorial. Like the same way you can add many options to the list. Let me copy this and paste it below. In the same way you can add many options to the list. Hope you enjoyed the video, comment about the video and the points to improve, like and subscribe to our channel.